This gold trade is presenting us a very nice opportunity where we are risking about 15 pips and targeting about 300 pips right here. So this is on the 15 minutes time frame, but let me show you what is happening on the higher time frame. Okay, so if you go to the daily time frame, let's see what the story is. So if you go to the daily time frame, you're going to see that the market has been pushing to the upside for the longest time, right? So what I did is that I zoomed in. However, you can see that the market, since this high was created, the market had to pull to the downside. We've seen multiple break of structures to the downside. That is very significant. Okay, so if we now go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that you can now appreciate this bearish trend which has been happening right here since around February 24th. The market has been pushing to the downside right there. So it's very important to consider that. So let's put that in mind. And then what do? We go further to the 1-hour time frame. Okay. So what am I seeing on the 1-hour time frame? So if you zoom in a little bit, you'll be able to appreciate this even more. So on the 1-hour time frame, you can see that there is this significant area which was left behind. And what was happening right here? We had a consolidation right here. So after this consolidation, what happened? The market broke that level right there with big momentum candles. Okay, so that's consolidation, and then we have a breakout with big momentum candles, and the next step is retracement. We are seeing the market now try to pull back into that area, and the next step after that is usually a reversal. Hence, we are anticipating the market to actually reverse from here, because this is a classic textbook setup where we have a consolidation, break of structure, market comes and retraces back into this area, comes that order block, and then the market potentially goes to the downside right there. So that's what I'm looking at right now. So if you drop even further to the lower time frame, like the 30 minutes time frame, you'll be able to appreciate this even more. You can see that this break of structure was formed by these big momentum candles. Okay, so we have a nice rally based drop supply zone, break of structure by big momentum candles, and then we have liquidity right here. So what we want to see right now is to see the market coming here, taking out this liquidity, and then the Asian session forms, taking out the high or the low of the Asian session, then the market pulls back into this area. And once that happens, then we'll be able to look for selling opportunities. So if you drop even further, you'll be able to see that this is the same story that we are telling right now. We understand that the overall trend is still bullish, but I've seen a consistent market going to the downside since the 24th of February, and that is very significant. Until this high has been broken, we'll try to look for selling opportunities. Okay, so it's very important to follow what the market does. Don't try to predict where the market is going to go or anything like that. We're just following. Okay, so this is the same setup on the 5 minutes time frame like I showed you. So we have basically a nice rally based drop supply zone. On the higher time frame, this is a consolidation. Then we have a break of structure, retracement, potential pullback, potential reversal right here. So for now, we just went to the lower time frame, like the 3 minutes time frame, found our order block right there. Once we found our order block, then we also identified our liquidity right here. And then once that is done, we just wait for the market to take out this liquidity. And once that has happened, we'll wait for the market to give us our entry confirmation as it comes into this area right here. Remember, the market can open and actually go all the way here. That's the reason why I don't actually advise for pending orders. So I want to see how price reacts as it is approaching this level right here. It's really important. Okay, so for my stop loss, it's just going to be above here, and my target, I'm targeting these lows right here. As simple as that. Very straightforward, as you can see. So we started from the daily time frame, and we are on the 5 minutes time frame. We actually had to go all the way to the 3 minutes time frame to be able to identify our order block. That is exactly what we do on a consistent basis. That's multiple time frame analysis. You need to be able to actually know how to actually read price from the higher time frame all the way to the lower time frame. Like I've showed you, this market overall, the market has been bullish. God has been bullish, but since this high was created, we've seen the market just continue to go to the downside. So in order for us to continue looking for buys, what are we going to do? We're going to wait to see how the market responds to this level right here. So if the market responds to this level by breaking it, then we'll know that now the market has changed, because the market tapped into this area right here And since the market tapped into this area, I've seen them a little bit of a bounce to the upside right there. So for now, this may just be a retracement until this level here is taken out. And if this level is taken out, guess what? Well, our bias is going to shift because we understand that the overall trend of this market is bullish. Therefore, we might wait for the market to come back to this level because maybe that's where there's this nice drop base rally that I was actually left behind, which broke also structure. So for now, we are looking for selling opportunities on gold, and this has already been shared in our mentorship community, also on Facebook, Telegram for free. So don't say I didn't tell you guys about this potential nice trade, because this is the potential 1 to 20 risk reward ratio. It looks really, really amazing. So make sure you set your alerts. So what I do is I just set alerts like this. I'll just put an alert here so that once the market comes to that particular area, I'll be notified and I'll make a decision whether to enter into this particular trade or to just stay away based on how the market is actually going to react. That's basically what we do. And once that has happened, we'll be able to share this in our signals community. All right. So I hope you found value in this video. If you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.